Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in a couple of minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I am looking right now to buy at 125, so I'm watching that number there, and I want to see that drop down to 125, and then I want to see that white line there turn green. Green means I have been able to buy, so white means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy, and as you see, the price is getting further and further away. So I'll just cancel that order out. I am doing options. If you're not sure what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how they work and all that. So I know sometimes options have the reputation of being very complicated, and they can be made that way, but they don't have to be made that way, and I approach them in more of a straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment down below, option guide. All right, now I'm thinking of a potential put here. So let's try 195. Nope. Let's go to 185 now instead. I'm trying to buy at 185. Okay, with hesitation, need to go to 180 now. All right, I'll pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. If it looks like I'm going to get filled, I'll get the video rolling. All right, have an order at 175 now. Actually, let's see if this wants to break up over. So let's go to 165 instead. All right, I'm at 165 now. I will pause. All right, I'm going to try for put here at 165. Nope. Wanted a faster fill than that. Might have been a little too late. Yep, and now it comes. Now we got a red candle here, which is what I wanted. So it was a little too slow on that one. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 195. All right, tried at 195, would not give it to me, so let's go to 190 instead. All right, I'll pause. All right, yes, 175, let's try for a put. Oh, don't like how it's sitting right there. Let's go to 170 now instead. Now I'm at 170. Don't like how it keeps hesitating. So down to 165 now. Although I may still move it up to one. Oh no, I wanted to see that break through. So 157. Actually, I want to change strike prices. There we go. 190. There we go. What you're changing a strike price? What are you talking about? Again, comment below option guide, and that's one of the terms that will be covered. I got it. I can't do it. 4 minutes, there's a news release out, and at that point, who knows what's going to happen, and I don't want to be sitting in a trade at the mercy of that news release. Still 4 minutes away, and it's realistic that I could, get in and out before then, but if I don't, then that's going to be a sticky situation. If I can get up to that blue line, I will definitely try a scalp. But it's got to be that blue line, and it's got to be within the next, I don't know, minute and a half. I'll pause. All right, going to try for a put here at 193. Not getting it. So really the only way I'm getting filled on that is if that thing breaks out. So on that note, I'm going to go to 177 instead. And we'll see if I can get a quick move up there to fill me. I will pause for now. Okay, I'm at 177. Once again, did not fill me, so let's go to 167. Once again, I'm going to change strike prices here. Let's go to 177. All right, I will pause. I have an order at 175. No, that's way too strong. Let's go to 157 here. Or does it get rejected there? That's the question. Nope, there it goes up through. Are you going to try at 160 here? Nope, not filling me. Try 165 instead. In there at 165. Okay, that was worrisome. Well, I was going for 500 and it was getting up where I thought the 500 would happen just like that. It did not happen. Hence me saying that's getting worrisome. So I went into loss control mode and just took the $100. Yeah, I did not like that at all. And to be fair, as of now, I was right to do so as it's continued to go up a little bit more, but I will try to reposition. Try 165. $172 or it's going up. Try 170. I'm getting a little anxious now. I need to just wait for this thing to at least show some sort of sign that maybe it's run out of steam. Has not done that. But I will say, very glad that I just hopped into loss control mode there. I mean, you heard me say it, huh? I don't like that. And then changed it. And again, I'm not trying to make it seem like I gotta, I'm a perfect trader, because I'm not. You've seen me have losing trades for those that have watched past videos. But I am saying that was definitely the right decision on my part to hop out where I did. I am wondering, though, about 170 right now. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to go for, and I got that there at 175. Call, that is. See if we can get some kind of bounce here. And out for 500 on loss control mode. So that was wild. Again, loss control mode doesn't mean you're going to take a loss. But sometimes it means you actually still walk away with, at least in my mind, a good solid win. But yeah, that thing went way deeper than what I thought. But again, loss control mode means don't freak out, give it a chance. Now, to be fair, and this has been on other videos too, sometimes if you quote unquote give it a chance, then you're going to look back and say, I should not have given it a chance. I should have just cut the loss at that moment in time. Instead of picking the path of give it a chance, I should have picked the path of cut the loss right then and there. And so that does happen. But I found it to be, if you just give it a chance, they can recover. And I mean, if you think about it, how far down was I? And had I just like, I got to just cut it. I got to cut it. I mean, that would have been a good size loss compared to actually making $500 on that trade. And in hindsight, now granted, I'm trading in hindsight, I'd be up over $1,000 now, going on $1,500. Again, that was never the plan to make that much, but you know, so that's what happened there. Yeah. I'm the first to admit, yeah, sometimes when you give it a chance, that's no good, but you saw it twice so far. Both situations wasn't quite right, but I chose to quote unquote give it a chance. First time made $100 instead of having some loss. Second one made $500 instead of having a loss. But yeah, when you sometimes you'll have the losses and you'll say, yeah, you know, that ouch. But that was not the case there. So we'll see if I can get another. If this thing wants to come back down, I would be interested in it once again. Down at the 155 mark. So throw an order out there in case it wants to come back down in that area of the chart. But there you go. Now up $600. It's, well, I was out of that trade at 10:14. So just less than 45 minutes, up $600 on 2 trades that didn't really work out. That's very grateful with the day so far. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call things good. And it's, for argument's sake, it's 10:30. So been at it for an hour, $600. And I am definitely grateful for that. I can only speak for myself, but when this is a side hustle and one income stream amongst many others, I'm more than happy with taking an hour out of my day to put $600 into my pocket. And maybe that's not worth your time. That's fine. I get it. We're all at different stages in our life. But for me as a father of 6, you know, I want to just have the freedom of the schedule, freedom of the calendar. And when you have multiple streams of income, that's why I call trading for me a side hustle, because this is not my only income stream. So when you factor in all those other things, and then you factor in that I just want freedom of time. So am I going to be able to go buy a private jet making $600 in an hour? I'm not going to be able to do that, but that's not what I'm after. I want that freedom of the schedule. And when I can put this sort of money in my pocket, that certainly makes it very possible. Again, with the context of other streams of income, which I encourage you to do. Go build multiple streams of income. So that's all I have. If you want to learn more about options, and give yourself a good, solid foundation, comment below option guide. So thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when new videos like this are released. So take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.